this is Daisy from the Woodcrest Library, and in this video we will be making a lion mask craft. You will be able to pick up this craft kit at the Woodcrest Library, and your craft kit should include the following items: some yarn, your lion's face, and your lion's mane. For this craft, you will need the following items. You'll need a pair of scissors and a glue stick. Alrighty, let's get started with this craft. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and cut out your lion's mane and your lion's face. We will cut the lion's eyes at the very end, so don't worry about the eyes just yet. Alrighty, once our lion's mane has been cut out and the face, we're going to go ahead and start assembling this craft. Let's go ahead and glue down our lion's face in the center of the mane. Now that the face is glued down, we're going to go ahead and cut out the lion's eyes. Now we're going to take our yarn and we're going to go ahead and tie one piece of yarn to one end and the other to the other end. So let's go ahead and tie a knot here on the right side. Do a double knot just to keep this yarn secured. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And now what you're going to do is go ahead and put this on your face and measure it out and tie a final knot to secure the mask. And there you have it. We have our lion mask craft completed. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye!